Odofo mamima wakwaba enfaumbra GCN page so medin ede adwoa sechi. Mesro subscribe to my channel. Faunsa mi abel no so obenya notification. Ense me koso abia obenya bi etie anase obenya bi ahwe. Power FM inside politics Ora Mugabe ena o host program no na omo discussion omo ye wo ho ena omo dey to join omo ekyerese. Small boys no omo wo mu no. Omo ye omo adwen se omo nim law ama. Na a court case in Sensem NDC for the court and Supreme Court says Supreme Court and KB mom because almost to say 2020 election omo NSSN ko mo winya and a case no mo buso omo ya na de an omo fi courtroom ho pe na the NDC for MPP for sorry Nana B Honorable Kojo Oppong in Kroma mo omo abeye press conference can some che Ghana food the woman dey enu no Nana B no so wa law school kai uncle law school and Honorable Kojo Oppong Kroma information minister also wa law school omo call law school who omo ni mehwe na no omo kire say Honorable Kojo Oppong Kroma krade kraman dog keke front me belly kai law school be no omo koy omo abom papa no omo krade omo say no hwan say nkanya asem na ba anko mutumi e kasa kire owura Tsatsu chikata anyhow they want anyhow they like no more kasa ko hwe ye kala ni Paul oti law any law Ghana ha ma ye ntumi ni owura Tsatsu chikata enfi onim law et law papa ye hwe se ba yakoso court room hono se mo ahu nsem owura Tsatsu chikata eka nsem akese law akese brofa akese ni no pebu hono na owura Kojo Oppong Kroma na Nana B the mo how dare you aboa se mo kasa anyhow e dey lawyers kuku dama e yo man penin dada John Dramani Mahama wa for mo a omo e kan sem e dey ama NDC fo mo kasa e dey etia omo na mo ba law school mo ba law ni mu da be mo ko law school da be Nana B kwa do wan ko law school kwa ono kwa do ni me hwe wa bo papa e na so okay kan nsem hu e dey owura Tsatsu kata mo e yenti ensem a e course so e wo Power FM inside politics nsem omo dey etuwa
say yema police phone swan and fanko no charge no. Yes, I pam no complete. Say me kind. Look, they should sack her.
Is it right, sir, chairman of the committee?
So what good animals were better than chap you are now. No. Or say so. Honorable say was only try to capture. What's all mean in TC form? Or say was not in TC form? Our commission his face has fallen. What is fish farming? Is a rearing of fish? Indeed. Huh? Rearing of fish? There are also advantages of fish. You cannot even mention that they can earn foreign income, they can earn employment, they can even be used as research purposes. Revenue, it augments the nutrition of the people. What sort of caricature is that? Into one of the second complete, a second so and warning. They should warn her in addition not to appear before any committee in Ghana here. David, no, you see, when you humble yourself, who will respect you? Yeah, you know me, look, when you humble yourself, yes, sir, let me read something to you. Say, yes, sir, Kroma, MP for no more higher. I'm say they are the most intellectual people. Kroma, yeah. Let me read something to our listener. They are no man called Kroma. They are no man called Kroma. Also, they have the men, and that we should look at what they can do. The president appointed and said we should look at what they can do. Shall look at what Dr. Kobe Mensah wrote. Dr. Kobe Mensah said that they are big in math, less on hand, not aware government, and incompetent, corrupt administration, only interested in concocted pageantry. For the hoi polloi, they parade intelligentsia, exhibit absolute impunity, but nothing to show in performance. We are in a mess. I'm say, they all kind say, I say MP before no, no kasa too much, hear noise too much in this country, But a human omutimi nye konongo kaya, omutimi so find a unit source ano kayo. Are not aware Omo government who be some say dear na why I see him there. They are incompetent, corrupto. Just say, omo ye incompetent. Omo say corruption gurus in this country. The whole from independence will be in US cut almost. And they are interested in concocted pageantry. Once all my you know, after the name woman now crony bobo woman sema no kura amafo. And the parade intelligentsia. What he's saying is that once almost say you need nima dear
hand time for
hand time you need lawyers and so qua they are kindergarten lawyers who are the Supreme Court. Check kindergarten lawyers, national service lawyers. I'm called court. You be no be with well rehearsed, organized choreography and theatrical law. Now these are the people who want to talk to Chachi Chikata, who want to talk to Tony Lita, who want to talk to Marietta Brew, Dr. Ayene.
They have power. It's power they are using.
These are the lawyers. These small boys lawyers. Nanabimu who won't call law school that. You know, it's a metaphor. They make an counsel on you, but you compare him to the lawyers I've mentioned. He's an embryo. Who name embryo? Embryo. Kojo Oppong won't want to make a bail crime.
Those even
You see,
bench.
so